Good morning and welcome to Stock Invest, your go-to channel for the latest market updates before the opening bell. Today, United States stock futures are pointing higher as investors react to President Donald Trump's new tariff measures taking effect overnight. The Dow futures are up by 34 points, the S&P 500 futures have climbed 17 points, and the Nasdaq 100 futures gained 67 points. This positive momentum follows strong earnings reports from major companies like McDonald's and Apple. Apple's shares rallied after the company announced a significant commitment to increase its investment in United States manufacturing. Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook joined President Trump at the White House to pledge an additional $100 billion investment in the United States. This move aligns with Donald Trump's strategy to boost domestic production, especially as he hinted at imposing a 100% tariff on semiconductor imports. However, exemptions may be granted to companies that commit to building and investing in the United States. Meanwhile, Trump's expanded tariffs took effect on more than 90 countries, introducing duties ranging from 15% to 30% on a variety of imported goods. These tariffs aim to reshape global trade networks and encourage domestic manufacturing. Countries like Bolivia and Nigeria face 15% tariffs, while Taiwan's imports are now subject to a 20% levy. Brazil and India are seeing even higher tariffs amid political tensions and policy disagreements with the United States. Several key trading partners, including Britain, the European Union, Japan, and South Korea, secured preliminary trade agreements with the United States, resulting in tariffs between 15% and 20%, coupled with commitments to open their markets and invest domestically. The 30% tariff on Chinese goods remains in place following the trade truce earlier this year, but that agreement is set to expire on August 12th, potentially escalating tensions between the two economic giants. Toyota has felt the impact of these tariffs, recently cutting its full-year operating profit forecast by 16%. The company cited $10 billion in additional costs due to United States duties, rising input expenses, and a stronger yen. Despite the challenges, Toyota's global sales hit a record high in the first half of the year, and its operating profit for the April to June quarter exceeded analysts' expectations, showing resilience amid trade pressures. Investors are also closely watching Federal Reserve signals, as some policymakers indicate potential interest rate cuts in response to the cooling labor market and tariff-related inflation concerns. The recent weak jobs data has fueled expectations for rate cuts, which have helped buoy market sentiment despite ongoing geopolitical and trade uncertainties. In global trade news, China reported a 7.2% increase in exports for July compared to last year, accelerating from June's 5.8% growth. This suggests that the tariffs have not yet significantly dampened Chinese export momentum. As markets prepare to open, traders will be weighing the impact of these tariffs alongside corporate earnings and central bank policies to navigate this complex economic landscape. Thanks for watching Stock Invest. If you want to stay ahead with market insights and updates like these, be sure to press the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you at the opening bell.